The following video contains scenes that is not suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skiller! Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skiller. Now, there's a video that is out on social media that shows of a stabbing incident that had happened on Washington Boulevard in St. Andrew, Jamaica, and as a result of the stabbing incident, a person that is said to be a taxi operator had died. This incident said to have happened on Monday the 23rd of September 2019 at sometime at around 8 p.m. In the video, persons were seen trying to assist the taxi operator to get him to the hospital as he was wounded at the time. However, he was pronounced dead on arrival at the hospital. Now, viewers and subscribers, there has been speculations behind this whole incident of this taxi operator's death, and one of the speculations is that a JUTC bus operator might have been involved in this whole incident. However, there has been reports that a JUTC bus driver had been killed within 24 hours since the taxi operator incident on Washington Boulevard. There has been speculations, or there has been some saying that this might be a reprisal due to the incident that had happened where the taxi operator had died. There has been reports that members of the JUTC bus company had went on a strike as a protest towards the incident that had happened where one of their colleagues had died. There has been reports that a JUTC bus driver had been taken into custody by police officers for questioning as a suspect, or should I say as the accused, towards the whole stabbing incident that had happened where the taxi operator had been killed on Washington Boulevard, St. Andrew, Jamaica. Well, there you have it, viewers and subscribers. This is where me leave it, and you don't know me Dancehall Skiller there to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what I want. So if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments and let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skiller. Uno big up on yourself. You see?